Hello there, the Bearded Burbler from down there, and today, well, out here near Port Sorell, although we're on the opposite side of the estuary. This is the National Park, and what a magnificent place this is. Let's go see what's here, apart from that wonderful old farmer's type cottage in the background. Let's go see. Situated in the north of Tasmania, up near Port Sorell, on the opposite side of the estuary, you'll find a national park. And that national park has some of the most beautiful scenery I've seen. It's full of animals such as the small wallabies that you see here, full-size kangaroos, and some truly amazing beach-type scenery. The whole thing fronts onto Bass Strait, and there is a 7-kilometre long piece of beach known as Baker's Beach that is well worth seeing. When it comes to tranquility, you won't beat this place. Beautiful white beach, and the sand is as fine as I've found anywhere in Australia. Very much like Bribie Island. Well, here we have 7 kilometres of unspoiled beach. And looking around, there's not a soul out there except for, well, the odd penguin and the odd seagull. That's about it. Let's go and see what this is all about. There are 3 points where you can park your vehicle and walk to the beach, and this is the spectacular view that you will see. There is a bit of driftwood up on the beach, and that's about it, apart from cuttle bones. Certainly very pristine. 2 things you will see a lot of, though, are pademelons and Bennetts wallabies. These little fellas, like this one here, are pretty much everywhere around in this location. Just a little further to the west is Griffiths Point, and this is actually where the amenities are. This is actually also very spectacular to see. It does present quite an amazing sight when you're there. Well, this is actually where Baker's Beach meets Griffith Point, and they've put some rock groins out to protect the entrance over there, which leads to Port Sorell. So this is the actual entrance. Out there is Bass Strait. Let's see what else is here. At this end of the national park, apart from this spectacular scenery, this is where the camping area also starts. So you actually find that on the other side of that, you have Spring Lawn Beach, and this is where they have powered and unpowered camping sites where you can go and camp and enjoy the peaceful serenity of this wonderful spot. How's that serenity? Anyway, that's a little bit more that you can see and do out here in what we like to call the 2 hour circle. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.